We got this. Don't worry, no fleas were harmed. No fleas were harmed. Making it of this video.
Mortala.
Yeah.
Orala. Mamashka.
Yeah. I've been recording for 30 seconds. Okay, so my audience won't watch my video. What in the world? Oh man.
Samasa.
Expect these scores. Let's go for dodge. I don't care anymore. We were really
Sasha. Sasha.
No, please, we're not. Don't worry, they know safety precautions because they're wearing their helmets.
Mortala. Sasha.
Which flea?
Sasha.
Oh no, we won't have brain damage. Oh. You got brain damage. Ah. That flea flew through my pores. Oh my! Chaotic. Oh my god! 3 minutes. Dude, I got 46. Come on. I can do better.
Sasha.
Hi, Doc. Hi, kitties.
Sasha.
I can do way better. Remember, I've defeated the Savage Beast Fly 2 times. Yeah, he was required. I don't think he was required, but no, he was required to get into Act 3. Crap. What is? Oh my god! No!
Mortala. Sasha. Sasha.
Hugely is so freaking adorable. Hey guys, I'm eating popcorn. Chat. I'm eating popcorn with, and I put like a bunch of seasoning on it, so it's really salty. Yeah, I put the bananas in it. So it's like this banana sweet flavor with the salty, and it's like really good. Yeah. Wait, give me a second. I have like the banana is separated from the popcorn. I'm like eating the banana on its own, but I'm like, but give me a second. Let me go get my phone. Alright, I got my phone, and I'm gonna take a picture of this. It's like really, really good. So I'm gonna, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna send it to the Discord. Here, wait, I'm gonna apply the popcorn to the banana, and then take a picture of that. And then I'll edit it in the video. Guys, when I get this to the Discord, it's gonna look so cursed. What's it called? Oh. Oh, right. You were talking to the audience, not me. I got my popcorn banana. So I'm gonna send this as an image. It's like this really sweet. Yeah. This actually tastes really good. Here, wait, I'm gonna send it. Put it in art. Check it. Check the art tab. Did you see it? Did you see it?
Yes.
I'm just like, it's really good. Will be my go-to food combination, and my friends are gonna be like, "Ew, why are you eating popcorn and banana?" Alright, let me finish this bite. Let me finish this handful of popcorn. And then I'll start the mini game. Should I send it to the wolf's den when I'm done with the video?
Yes.
Wait, copy the image, send it into the chit chat channel of Wolf's Den, and then tell them This is what Milo the Awesome is eating right now.
Sasha. Sasha.
Probably just gonna say, shut up and let me eat my popcorn banana. Every single video I make, I should make a flashback to the popcorn banana. This should be my outro. That would be amazing.
Sasha.
I'm gonna end the video when I get the highest score in every flea minigame. I could probably just walk away from the flea minigames, come back later, and like come back, and our video will take like 65 hours. Cause, alright, wait.
Mortala.
Alright, I'm gonna be back at the flea minigames in a minute. Cause I wanna go see. Oh my, I should make it the videos, what's it called? I forgot what it's called, like, you know, the thumbnail. Yeah. Popcorn banana. Alright, we're gonna see if, like, crap. Man, I love this game. Love when I take damage, literally. A normal enemy. The popcorn banana. Every time you say banana, like every time I just hear you say banana other than in this conversation, I'm just gonna send an image of the popcorn banana.
Wait, I have a perfect idea.
Alright, what should I do? I should make it a transparent popcorn banana though. We've been saying popcorn banana too much. I'll do it in other videos because we've said popcorn banana about 100 times. I already made it pop up on the screen once. We don't need it on the screen again. I love bananas! Especially popcorn ones. I have to watch 14 minutes of footage. Crap. Why am I walking? I don't know what I just did, but I just looped around again. When I meant to actually, I'm just gonna end the video here. So, yeah. We'll end it. Popcorn.